Hello guys, my Bible tell kwan a wobɛfa so a create professional logo for your brand. This thing wonhia skills biara from baabi a nya afei na wokɔsua graphic design and editing app biara. You be use this AI app step by step. I refer this app Looka AI. You be create professional logo for your brand. Either say your YouTube channel, Facebook channel, or business, or company. Until you go the other side of the screen, you go create step by step. I have a tech project. You be subscribe on my Facebook. You be subscribe on YouTube. That's it.
See, I'm going Google Chrome. Then type it. Looka. Looka AI. Looka AI. So Looka AI. Looka AI logo maker. Then type it so this is the logo maker. This will be to me a design logo without any professional skills. So you can type it high-tech project to me a subscribe to my Facebook, Facebook, YouTube. In a tech project. So I dey abaha. So business name. What type of business name? Tech project. Business name. And to wait me I use also business name. So my business name here. And my business name no. My boy create logo. My boss create logo. So what's it? Find the best perfect logo for tech project. Keywords now my technology, consult and services. Until me pa. Me try say na my book continue. But hope with me about o de ahyɛ So keywords ewe nso ni nti. This is the logos. Logos so they are my in nice logos so they are my. They wait me I choose anyone I wish say will be useful. And I'll be to me search more logos up to 300. So let me choose back on that. Let me choose this one. You choose this one now. Wait me download it through your email. To type your email nishima. My email. Your email now. I will continue. I will continue. The young send you email. So I download. And this is the simplest way to create a logo without any professional idea. Subscribe my Facebook and YouTube. This is how the way a person will download no. Or download do. Different, the same style, but different colors. Different style. The same style with different colors. So you choose your own color you wish. Tech project. So I'm choosing this first color. Choose me this first color. Ube edit it. Ube edit it. The slogan. Mami ko slogan. Slogan na me edit na oba test. waba so na yɛmpepa biribi a ɛwɔ mu na yɛntype yɛ deɛ. So wobɛtumi a increase no, wobɛtumi a decrease no, wobɛtumi a rotate. So yɛntype deɛ a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛtype. Learn how to make money online through your social media. Ɛno ara no. Yɛm expanding on that words no nyɛ akɛseɛ kakra. Na yɛmove no fa mɛto baabi a na ɛda. So we are done with the logo. The only thing I can say is you download. The Kubo download ɛwɔ ɛno ara no. Wa download. Wa download wawie. That's it. So I share a over this time. Create your own logo without any stress. I have in here graphic design we are.